Student of Standard 6, so welcome in our new session of FASES. Here is our workbook and today we are doing our MCQ of Sphere of the Earth chapter 10. Which planet is unique in the solar family? It's C, Earth. How many man sphere does the Earth have? 4. So it's A. What is the meaning of litho? It's a soil. B. What percent of Earth's surface does the lithosphere occupy? It's a 29%. What is the general increase in temperature in Celsius for every 1 kilometer of depth? It's a 30 degree. It's C. What percent of the Earth's surface does the hydrosphere occupy? It's a 71%. It's A. How many kilometer long are vast and deep valleys found at the bottom of the ocean? It's a C. 10 to 11. How many percent of the total water on the surface of Earth do the oceans have? It's a 97%. It's a D. So up to how many kilometer of height altitude is the gaseous sphere known as atmosphere? It's 850 to 1000. So it's a C. Which sphere of the Earth cannot be seen with naked eye? It's atmosphere. So it's A. Which sphere of the Earth is colored, odorless and tasteless? It's also atmosphere. So it's a C. What is the percentage of oxygen in the atmosphere? It's a 20.99%. So the answer is D. What is the percentage of nitrogen in the atmosphere? It's a 78.03%. So answer is B. And after how many kilometer of height altitude is the presence of carbon dioxide fat laser in the atmosphere? It's a 20 kilometer. A. After how many kilometer of height altitude is the presence of oxygen fat laser in the atmosphere? So the answer is our C, 110. After how many kilometer of height altitude is the presence of nitrogen fat laser in the atmosphere? It's a 130 kilometers. So the answer is B. Which gas of the atmosphere absorb the strong ultraviolet sun rays and protect the Earth from the intense solar heat? It's D, ozone. Which of the following gases is hygienic? It's also ozone. So the answer is B. Due to which element present in the atmosphere due to sunlight falling on the Earth spread in all directions? It's a dust particle. Due to which medium on Earth can the sound be heard? It's atmosphere. B. Due to which sphere of the Earth are radio and television transmission possible? It's D, atmosphere. Which sphere of the Earth serve as a natural shield for the Earth? It's the atmosphere. So the answer is B. Which planet of the solar system has a biosphere? It's B, Earth. In which sphere of the Earth are various living organisms included? Biosphere. So the answer is D. Now here, fill in the blanks. Dash sphere consists of mountains, plateau and plains, etc. So this was his litho. The atmosphere extends up to an altitude of 850 to 1000 km over the surface of Earth. Dash gas is present in maximum proportion in the atmosphere. It was a nitrogen. There are a total of dash sphere on the Earth. These are 4. In the solar system, only dash has a favorable temperature. It's Earth. The word litho means soil. The Earth was in fireball state at the time of its origin. अपने origin time पे Earth fireball थी. The temperature dash we go deep in the interior of the lithosphere. So increase the crust of the Earth is about 64 to 100 km thick. There is a general increase of 30 degrees Celsius in the temperature of every 1 km depth. The melted rock material as the deep interior of the Earth is called, it's a magma. The base for our food, dwelling and existence means lithosphere. There is more proportion of water than land on the surface of the Earth. About 71% of the surface of the Earth is covered by hydrosphere. The vast water masses on the surface of the Earth are called oceans. The oceans are storehouse of the protein-rich food for humans. As carbon dioxide gas is heavier, it is found in more proportion in the lowest strata of the atmosphere. The dash gas absorbs the strong ultraviolet sun rays. It's ozone. The sun rays are reflected by dust particles. Sound can be heard because of the medium known as atmosphere. Now here is a true-false. Existence of oxygen in the atmosphere is found up in altitude of 150 km. It's a false. The ocean have become our waterways. It's a true. Many living organisms are included in the biosphere. It's a true. Biosphere developed on the Earth's surface because of water and air. It's a true. Ozone gas protect life on the Earth's surface for the strong ultraviolet rays. It's a true. The upper crust of the earth is made up of soil and liquid matter. It's a false. The lower part of the earth crust is called lithosphere. It's a false. The crust of the earth is the deep ocean is thinner. It's a true. The lithosphere occupy about 29% of the earth's surface. It's a true. It's a true. And the proportion of water mass is lesser than the land mass on the earth's surface. It's a false. About 71% of earth's surface is covered by hydrosphere. It's a true. The existence of biosphere depends on human. It's a false. Salt is obtained from seawater. It's a true. Atmosphere cannot be seen with naked eye. Yes, it's a true. And the air becomes dense as one goes up to the earth's surface. It's a false. The proportion of ozone gas is very less in the atmosphere. It's a true. And the atmosphere serves as a natural seal for the earth. It's a true. Now here some matching. So lithosphere, atmosphere, biosphere and hydrosphere. So first के लिए आएगा हमारा sum of all four sphere. What about for the dwelling a human being and all living organism? What is the atmosphere? Sphere of various gases. Biosphere is a base for human maintenance of life, and hydrosphere was the existence of living organism. Okay, so doing in your workbook. Do in workbook. We will meet again in next session. Thank you very much.